Here's a quick tip when you're planting cilantro. If you missed my first video about cilantro, you can go check it out right after this video. Cilantro loves the cool weather. So right now it is April, spring is sprung. We are about 15 days from our last frost date of the year. That means temps are going up every day. They're gonna be in the 70s, then in the 80s, and then hopefully not too soon, but eventually in the 90s. Cilantro loves it cold. It loves it when the temps are between 45 to 65. So if you still want cilantro in the spring, when the temps are going up, then here is a tip for where to put your cilantro so you can keep it for longer, all right? So I'm gonna take this cilantro. We've got this very packed kitchen garden. We've got collard greens, we've got cabbages, lettuces, spinach, all kinds of good plants growing in this cool season garden. And what we want to do is hide the cilantro in the shade of our biggest plants. So here's a couple of places that it would absolutely work well. Right here between these collards and this cabbage is where I'm tucking this cilantro. So you can see right here, I put a cilantro plant right here along the irrigation line. I know it's going to get well watered. And then I'm literally tucking these plants right below the collards and the cabbages. So I'm going to come right here, dig a little hole. Now you're gonna think, is there room for this cilantro? Yes, there is. Even though these leaves are big, when you open up the canopy of leaves, you can see there's plenty of room down in the soil, right? So just because leaves are towering over the garden, that's a good sign, doesn't mean there isn't room in the soil right beneath. So I open up this space a little bit. We're gonna stick the cilantro right along the irrigation line, and then we just let those leaves cover up that cilantro, give it some shade. They're gonna do great. It'll keep the temp about 5 to 10 degrees lower because this plant is growing under shade. It's gonna thrive in the cooler weather, and you'll get to keep it in the garden a little bit longer. If you love this video, if you want to learn how to keep your cilantro alive, then you are going to absolutely love my first video all about why your cilantro is dying in the garden. So you can check out this video all about keeping cilantro alive right here. Keep watching, and here's to lots of cilantro in your garden future.